Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Dear students, how are you all? I hope that all of you are fine. I am your geo teacher and this is our first video lecture for the month of June. Dear students, today we are going to revise the topic Tower Bridge. As you can see the image of Tower Bridge, this is the image of Tower Bridge, which is one of the best known landmark of United Kingdom. United Kingdom, which is commonly known as UK. It is a country in continent Europe. The capital of UK is London. The currency of UK is pound sterling and the language of United Kingdom is English. And Tower Bridge is one of the famous landmark of United Kingdom. In our previous lecture, we have discussed that what is a landmark. So let us revise once again the definition of landmark. A landmark is any visible symbol of a country or city. It can be any structure which can be natural or man-made, like a mountain, tower or building, etc. Understand? Landmark means कोई ऐसी मशहूर जगह किसी भी शहर या किसी मुल्क की, ये कोई भी स्ट्रक्चर हो सकता है, कुदरती भी हो सकता है और आर्टिफिशियल भी हो सकता है, like tower, mountain or building, etc. And Tower Bridge is a man-made landmark of UK. Here is another picture of Tower Bridge. This bridge was named after its two impressive towers. It is one of the London's best known landmarks and the bridge was completed in 1894. Originally, the London Bridge was the only crossing over the River Thames and the middle of the bridge can be raised to permit large vessels. Like in this video, you can see it can be raised, यानी इसको दरमियान में से मैकेनिज़्म के ज़रिए से उठाया जा सकता था, जिसके ज़रिए इधर से जो वेसल्स थे यानी जो शिप्स वग़ैरह थे वो आसानी से गुजारे जा सकते थे. तकरीबन 50 दफ़ा एक दिन में इसको इस तरीके से उठाया जाता था, लेकिन आजकल जो है तो इसको दिन में सिर्फ 4 से 5 दफ़ा जो है तो इस तरह से ऊपर की तरफ उठाया जाता है. You people can also visit the inside of the tower. These are the two towers of the Tower Bridge. From here, anybody can observe the original mechanism which is used to raise the bridge. From the top of the tower, people can have a great view at the center of London, as it is situated in London, which is the capital city of United Kingdom. Now all of you should open your book. On page number 14 you will find the topic Tower Bridge. We are on book page number 14. United Kingdom. First, these are the facts about UK and this is the explanation that the UK is made up of 4 nations, the England, Wales, Scotland and Northern Ireland. The important cities are the Birmingham, Manchester, Edinburgh and Glasgow. The two famous landmarks of UK are the Tower Bridge and Big Ben. One of them we discussed today, which is Tower Bridge. In your book, on page number 14, the topic is Tower Bridge. It was named after its two impressive towers. It is the one of London's best known landmarks. The bridge was completed in 1894. You should underline this line. Originally, the London Bridge was the only crossing over the River Thames. The middle of the bridge can be raised to permit large vessels to pass. Large vessels means ships and boats, etc. The Tower Bridge is used to be raised about 50 times a day. But nowadays it is only raised 4 to 5 times a week. You can also visit the inside of the towers where you can observe the original mechanism used to raise the bridge from the top of the tower. You can have a great view at the center of London. This was our today's topic, Tower Bridge, which is in London, which is one of the best known landmark of UK. UK is an important country in continent Europe. The capital city of UK is London, and the currency of UK is pound sterling. The religion is Christianity and the language is English. The world top class universities, Oxford University and Cambridge University, are in UK. Fish and chips is the famous food of United Kingdom, and Tower Bridge and Big Ben are the two most famous and important landmarks of UK. One we discussed today and the other one, which is Big Ben, we will discuss in our next video lecture. That's all for today. Revise this topic and learn important sentences from all over the topic from UK and Tower Bridge. Inshallah, in next video we will discuss Big Ben. Thank you so much and Allah Hafiz for today.